So for today's recipe, we're going to be making a chia seed pudding. So first off, we're going to need some chia seeds. You can get any brand you like, some ground cinnamon, a little bit of pure vanilla extract, and your favorite kind of milk. I'm just using almond milk. So you're going to do 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, a dash of cinnamon, and a little bit of vanilla extract. I don't know why I didn't show it there. A cup of almond milk, and then you're just gonna stir it up. It's a really simple recipe, but the toppings are where you can really make it delicious. So I like to shake it up a little bit just to make sure that all the seeds are fully coated in almond milk. I do like to use the 3 tablespoon to 1 cup ratio just because it makes it really thick. And then you just put it in the fridge overnight. It's cold the next morning and you can top it with your favorite toppings. I did mango, granola, and blueberries.